Hey, I wanted this to be a quick unboxing here of the brand new iPad Air with the M3 processor in it. This is $600 here in the US. It just came out today, along with the regular iPad 11, which I've also made a video on. And I'll be making a bunch more videos on both these two iPads here. So nothing too crazy in here. I get a braided cable, which looks and feels quite nice. You actually do get a charger as well. And this is a 20-watt charger, as we see there. So that is quite nice. Unlike with the phones, you do actually get a charger. Then you do get this kind of thick here, which is just a couple of very thin pieces of paper. No stickers anymore, doesn't seem like. And put this off. This one is going to be in the blue color, which is the same color I got on the regular iPad as well. So there we go. Very nice color. Very similar. Yeah, very nice looking color there. Get one camera, along with, I believe, LED flash. Of course, the symbol. And we do have that down there, which will be, I believe, for the keyboard. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. Power button, speakers. We'll have to see if all 4 speakers do work. I believe on the iPad Air, they are all 4 actual speakers, whereas the regular iPad 11 only has 2 that actually work. All right, nothing on this side. And then we have just that right there. And then you have the volume rocker. And then we do have our camera will be built in the side there. That way you actually get a good angle instead of from being a weird angle if you're face calling, aka FaceTiming is the actual word there. Yeah, very nice looking iPad. Like I said, stay tuned. I'll be making a whole bunch of videos on this as well as the new iPad 11. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.